Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the sleek and functional Redi Niche Triple Niche Recessed Shower Shelf in black, designed to elevate your shower experience with its all-in-one storage solution. This versatile piece can be installed either horizontally or vertically, perfectly accommodating your soaps, shampoos, razors, and other shower essentials. Ready to tile, you can customize the niche to seamlessly blend with your shower's aesthetic, making it a stylish and practical addition to any bathroom. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this shower shelf is built to withstand heavy-duty use, ensuring durability and longevity. Its 100% waterproof and leak-proof design guarantees peace of mind, keeping your shower organized and clutter-free. With dimensions of 32 inches in width, 20 inches in height, and 4 inches in depth, this triple niche provides ample space for all your needs. Transform your bathroom into a modern oasis with the Redi Niche Triple Niche Recessed Shower Shelf, where style meets functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.